Okay guys, this video will be on obani moons. Alright, let's get started. The first one is on obani Gemini Pollux. Hold on a second. Oh yeah. Here we go. Strike, 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 and charge it over there. Oh crap, hold on a second. Alright guys, second try. You need to do in the right spot on that island. Right there. Yes. Alright. Please. No, please glide there. Oh no. Isn't it right? Hold on a second. Oh wait, camera problems. And now guys, I will try it. Oh well. Please. Or to here. Make it. Yes. And see guys, you can walk all around this whole things. Yeah. Introducing. Yay. But no crates. No boxes. Nothing is here. Only can walk in here. But still cool. This funny island. Those things are solid right here, but they're invisible. Sometimes. Alright, hold on a second for the next glitch. Alright guys, I'm on top of this thing. Now I have to charge boot or leg into that island. Oh crap. Right, so do it. Charge boot. You don't need to leg in and you'll be on top of this whole thing. You can go over to here, invisible wall. Or you can go upper. Don't. But you can turn through this. Please. Oh no. Please don't move. Yes. You'll be in this small thing. Sometimes it's visible, sometimes don't. Yeah, and now you're behind the wall in the start. Right? Wait, still camera. Happening. Alright, wait a second for the next glitch. Alright guys, I'm at the end of the obani Gemini Pollux and gonna kill this stupid bot. And right, here's the glitch. Jump on this triangle that push you upper than other ones. And now go on top of this. You're falling slower and slower and slower. Now you're falling normal. And you're on top of this tunnel or where it is. Yeah, you can go in here. But you cannot wall jump off these. Yeah, that's kind of boring glitch. Or what's its name? Yeah, but from up here you can go. Crap, I don't see anything. Cause these things. Oh man. Where am I going? Yeah, you can fall right down here. And land on this door, I think. Yeah, land on this door. Yeah, and nothing. Alright, and now I'll go to the obani Draco. Okay guys, now I'm in the end of the obani Draco. This place when the gears turn skin in a robot. And here's the glitch. Do high jump on this thing. And you are magnetic. On the magnetic thing. Now go upper and now high jump. Grab. You'll be on top of this. boring glitch, but I will try to turret. Never tried before. What will happen? Oh crap! It's hard to turreting. Oh! You said it! I got out of level. Maybe some cool glitch will be from it, but that's it. Alright guys, this was glitch the obani moons. So see ya.